about the different types of family instruments. Has anyone ever played an instrument before? Jessica, what instrument have you played?
The accordion.
The accordion? Okay, what about you, Jamie?
The piano.
Piano. Simone, have you played any instrument before?
Yes, for a little bit. I played the clarinet.
The clarinet. Great. So there's 4 different types of families. In the ancient Mesopotamia, they only had one type, and that was the string family, and they only used like violins. But then in the 19th century, they had different families, such as the brass family. So that's when the 4 different types of families came about. So the first family that we're going to learn is about the woodwind family. And the woodwind families are the ones that you blow into a mouthpiece. So examples would be the flute, saxophone, an oboe, and a clarinet. So the one you play. So when we listen to music, when we hear it, we're gonna blow, and we're gonna pretend we have an instrument, a woodwind instrument, and we're gonna go. So let's pretend we have an instrument. Okay, so that's the first family, and some of the sounds. This is the oboe. How it sounds. This is the flute. Okay, the second family is the brass family, and when you play these, you move your lips like if you were saying buzz. So, and some examples of this is the trombone, the trumpet, and the French horn. So these are some examples that are the brass family. And then these are how a couple would sound. The saxophone sounds like this. Or this is another type of saxophone. And then the French horn. Then we have the stringed instruments. And those are the ones that have the strings and then you pluck. So when we hear those, we're going to pluck. We're going to pretend to be plucking. Pluck or pluck. So those are the violin, the banjo, the guitar, and the cello. So those are a couple examples of the stringed family. And then just an example of how one sounds. The violin sounds like this. Okay. And the last family is the percussion family. So these are the ones that you hit with, or you could shake it. So an example would be the tambourine. You shake those, and you also hit it with your hand. The drums, the xylophone, and the triangle. So those are examples of the instruments in the percussion family. Okay, and then a few sounds. The triangle is pretty basic. Most of you have heard it. So those are the 4 families. Can anyone remind me what was the first one? The first family?
Woodwind.
The woodwind, yeah. The second family, anyone remember?
Brass.
Brass. The third one? String. And the fourth one?
Percussion.
Percussion. Good. So now we're gonna listen to a couple examples and see if we can guess which family it belongs to. So the first one is
Brass. Brass.
yes. And what's the sound? So that's how your lips go. Good. The second one, we're gonna listen to it.
Percussion.
Percussion. Good. What about this one? Percussion. Trying to trick you guys. Okay, this one. Woodwind. Woodwind.
Strings.
Good, the string. And then let's do another one. And this time I want to see the movement that it belongs to. Good. Yeah, it's this one. So it is a woodwind. So now we have a little worksheet, and with a partner, you're going to fill them out and say which family it belongs to. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. So I'll take a couple seconds, and then we'll go through them. You guys will have the first two, you'll have the third one, you can have the fourth one, and you can have the fifth one. Okay. Oh, you ready? Okay, you go. Oh. Okay. So Jessica, do you want me to tell you? You want to share which one you had? What number?
I had number 2, and it's a percussion instrument.
And why do you say it's a percussion instrument?
Because it's to like hit it.
Good. Simone, which one did you have?
I had the third one.
Okay, and which one? What family does it belong to?
Stringed.
Okay.
Because it has strings on it.
Good. Good. Selena, which one did you have?
Number 1.
Okay, and which one? What family?
Woodwind.
Woodwind. Good. Cassie?
I had number 4 and it was brass.
Brass. Very good. And Jamie, which one did you have?
I had percussion.
What number?
Number 5.
Number 5. Very good, class. So those are the 4 families we learned today. There's woodwind, brass, string, and percussion. And that's all I have for you guys today. Okay. Did you understand the goals of the lesson?
Yes, the goals were to identify and to describe and name the 4 different types of instruments.
Okay. What other subjects were integrated in the lesson?
Other subjects were integrated, such as history, because you gave like a brief description about ancient Mesopotamia.
What was the music portion of the lesson?
Well, we listened to music and we identified the different sounds that different instruments make, and we also had movements to go with the sounds.
Sorry. Was the lesson age appropriate?
Yes, because you talked about the historical part of it, and it was a history lesson also, so they were able to learn the 4 different the 4 different families of instruments, which I think that they would be able to understand.
What are some extension ideas?
If you had the resources, maybe they can learn how to play different instruments, or they can just maybe get up in front of the class and like perform with like fake instruments maybe.
And then one thing the teacher did well.
Well, I like that you integrated guided practice and independent practice and teacher evaluation with the little test at the end to assess what we knew.